And the topic today, the name of the topic is How to Increase Radiant Vitality, the 14 Factors, Part 2. Now, radiant vitality involves four components. One is health. Number 2, love, power, and passion. Passion has to do with having meaning and purpose in life, which is the fuel to energize the quest for true greatness. Health would include the whole being, the physique, the radiance that comes off the skin and the eyes. All of that contributes to the health factor. Love has to do with many levels of love. Love of God, love of other people. It could be love of many different levels. And then we have power. Power, it could be spiritual power, emotional power, physical power. Of course, physical power is the easiest to measure. How much weight can you lift on a bench press or on a strict curl or a power pull-up? So the physical power is the easiest. Of course, you have emotional and spiritual power, such as lifting a mountain of resentment through the power of forgiveness. That's what we would call that power. Then we have passion, and by passion again we're talking meaning, purpose, which fuels the quest for true greatness. So we're going to go into the 14 factors. Number 1 is proper diet. If a person is eating unhealthy foods with a lot of trans fats, saturated fats, sugars, sodiums, it's going to veil the radiance. The skin will get an unhealthy color. The eyes will lose its glow. On the other hand, when a person is getting proper antioxidants, the proper nutrition, the proper food supplements, they're staying hydrated, drinking enough water, they're sleeping properly, and they know which things lead to health and which things leads to illness. Of course, health involves also keeping our immune system strong, because we're always bombarded with microorganisms, whether it's bacteria, virus, yeast, fungus. We're bombarded with these things all the time. But if the immune system is strong, we're able to defend ourselves against it. The first step in the immune system is the digestive system, having friendly bacteria such as acidophilus that help eat up these other organisms that come in. That's the first step. We know that there are certain foods and food supplements that will strengthen the immune system, such as garlic. Garlic will strengthen the immune system. We also know if we're being invaded by germs, garlic will kill all viruses and bacteria. See, antibiotics will kill bacteria, but they won't kill viruses. Garlic will. Olive leaf extract will kill bacteria, but also kill virus, as well as yeast. We know this. Even coconut oil, very powerful immune factor to help kill off dangerous organisms to ourselves. So we know that we have to keep the immune system strong, and which naturally involves also sleeping. So if a person's having a problem sleeping, they have to understand what are the issues, what can they do to facilitate sleep, which involves exercise and many factors. But there's some natural aids. We always want to stay away from over-the-counter drugs and medications because of potential side effects. There's some natural aids that'll do this, such as melatonin. Melatonin is a natural substance that our body produces. It actually helps prevent cancer, and as we get older, we produce less of this melatonin, and melatonin will actually help promote sleep. Particularly helpful, even say during jet lag. Somebody takes a long trip, they're behind on their sleep, they take melatonin, and typically 3 milligrams does the job. But some people, after a while, might need even 6 or 9 milligrams. Again, you don't even get this in the drug section in a store. It's in the vitamin section or the health food section. Melatonin. You can get types that you swallow, you get types that you chew. So melatonin is an important one. What else can interfere with the health? Emotional states such as anxiety. There are many ways of reducing anxiety, such as deep muscle relaxation, exercise, therapy, and so forth. But here again, there's something called 5-HTP. 5-HTP helps reduce anxiety. Also helps facilitate sleep. Again, a natural substance that's healthy for us. So proper diet